Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you watched my 2020 favorites video, you might recognize that one of my favorite products last year was MACARON's Sapphire Gel Polish from the Precious Stones Le Jelly collection. I wore this a ton on my toes last year as a pedicure, but I thought it would be fun to use this gel polish for some fun jelly sandwich or pond nail art designs. So today I'm going to be doing a blue snowflake pond manicure. Also, don't forget you can use my code caramellogram10 to get 10% off regular price items at leminimacaron.com. I'm going to start off this design with one coat of Sapphire, which is a gorgeous royal blue jelly gel polish, and then I'm going to cure that in my Maxi lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to use What's Up Nails Blanc My Mind, which is a white stamping polish, to stamp a couple of snowflakes onto my nail. Then I'm going to seal in those snowflakes with another layer of Sapphire, and because this is a jelly polish, it's going to give those snowflakes a really pretty blue tint without covering them up completely. I'll give that a cure in my Maxi lamp for another 60 seconds, and then I'm going to stamp one more layer of snowflakes on the top. Sapphire is a pretty pigmented jelly polish, so I'm only going to do 2 layers so that my first layer of snowflakes aren't completely hidden, but if you're using a less pigmented jelly polish, you could add a 3rd layer and that would add even more dimension. I'll finish off this design with a layer of a fast drying top coat, and here is the finished blue snowflake pond manicure. So that's all for today's nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!